We are about to experience a much needed shift this week. Do you see these mountains here? There's not much snow on them, especially for a winter that was supposed to be very active along the West Coast. That's because for much of 2025, we've been stuck in a pretty stagnant pattern. We have seen high pressure over much of the West Coast because of a big ridge in the jet stream into Alaska and then Canada. This has kept storms away. But recently, this cycle has begun to degrade. A low pressure system moved through Southern California, bringing rain to wildfire areas, and now that high pressure is following behind it. Because the high pressure has shifted, the jet stream will move more west to east instead of in a ridge, and this will allow more storms to follow the jet stream into the West Coast instead of going around it. It'll also bring an atmospheric river to parts of California and Oregon this week that seriously need the snow. And this pattern shift that we're expecting doesn't necessarily mean that winter is saved and we're going to get a ton of snow and the snowpack will return to normal. But it does mean that we are expecting some sort of precipitation along most of the mountain areas in the West Coast. It means winter and maybe some skiing and snowboarding isn't lost just yet. But I'll have more information on the rest of the winter and hopefully what February will look like